This will be a quick video. It is the anatomy of candlesticks. So it's just, how the candlestick is represented. In the next video, I will share, it is a longer video. It will be, all the different types of candlestick patterns that you can get in Forex. So let's go into the anatomy. So bulls and bears, okay? They are indicated by mainly two, colors, which is green and red. Those are the common colors. Now, the one will show increasing, the other one will show decreasing. Usually it's green that shows increasing, red that shows decreasing. So like I said, now an easy way to sort of remember which way is which is by always referring it to the animals. So if you look at a bull and you look at a bear, if you picture these two sort of animals fighting, what would a bull do, right? A bull will go down and then he'll swipe his horns up. So he'll swipe his horns up, right? What would a bear do? When a bear fights, he's all, standing up and he will now swipe his claws down. That's a good way to remember. Bulls are to go up, bears are to go down. Alrighty. The rectangular section of the candle is called the real body. Now I will show you a photo of everything of the candlestick, but I just want to explain it quickly. So the real body of the candlestick will represent the range between, that specific session's open and close. By specific session, I mean the time frame. Okay, like I said, if it's bearish, right, price is decreasing, price is lowering. Open is on the top, close is at the bottom. If it's bullish, right, open at the bottom, close at the top. Okay, prices close higher. Now, you'll see there's always a majority of the time there's like a black vertical line that runs through the candlestick. That is either known as your wick or your shadow. Okay, I call it wick, but some people call it shadow. It is the same thing. So that will represent now the highest price is gone and the lowest price is gone. So in that specific session. Now, the wick below the real body, okay, low wick, whatever. If there is no wick, then that is called a shaven head for the top. So if there's no high, right, it is known as a shaven head. If there's no low, it is, if there's no wick, forming the low, then that is known as a shaven bottom. So here's an example of a bullish candle and a bearish candle. That is your high. So the highest point, as you can see, there's those two vertical black lines. The highest point is known as your high. That is the highest price has reached. Because remember, your price is always on the right hand side. Okay, on your y-axis. Now, your price always increases higher. So, hence, that has been the highest price has been. The wick, the black piece above the candlestick, that is known as your upper wick. Right? So the ending above of your wick, of your upper wick, is the high, and the wick itself is your upper wick. Then the rectangular sort of body that is filled with the color, that is known as your real body. Like I said, that is the range that price has gone between the open and the close. Then you get your lower wick, which is at the bottom of the real body. And then the low point of that lower wick is known as your low. Now, if we look at a bullish candle, the bottom is where it opens. But if we look at a bearish candle, the above, the top, is where it opens. Then for a bullish candle, where it closes is obviously the top, and where a bearish candle closes, it's at the bottom. So if, let's say it's an hour time frame, price will open, and it'll fluctuate, right? It will go to the low, go to the high, then it'll come down, and when that hour closes, it closes above the open. That means it's a bullish candle. That means price has increased. Okay, and vice versa for the bearish candlestick. So that is the construction of a candlestick.